Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another IKEA video. In today's video, I'm going to transform this room into a stunning office library with a refreshment bar including a sink using IKEA cabinets and IKEA Billy bookcases. So the first step in today's project is to assemble the IKEA kitchen cabinet frames. This is a relatively easy process using wood dowels, cam screws, and lock nuts. Just like that, with the power of a time-lapse edit, I have the kitchen cabinet frames ready to be placed on the wall. The next step is to attach these cabinet frames to the wall, and for this I am using the IKEA suspension rail. I'm attaching the suspension rail to studs using GRK screws. The best part about the suspension rail is once you've ensured it's level, then you can ensure that all your cabinets are level as well. Once the cabinets were hung, I added the finished pieces to each end and then clamped them together and secured them to each other with cabinet screws. Once I had the cabinets securely attached to each other, I added the top and bottom trim pieces. I added the locking nuts to the suspension rail and then placed the cover over the hardware to give the cabinets their finished look. With the upper cabinets hung and secure, it was time to add the shelving. Now that all the shelving was installed, the next step was to add the hardware for the doors. I attached the doors to the hardware, and just like that, the upper cabinet bank is complete. Now it was time to start on the lower cabinets. I followed the exact same process as the uppers, using the IKEA suspension rail attached to the wall with GRK screws. This gives the lower cabinets a floating look and also makes it much easier to keep them level. This is the center cabinet, and it will be the cabinet that houses a sink. So I have to cut the back of this cabinet to allow for the drain and water lines to come through. Once all of the cabinets were hung on the suspension rail, I secured them to each other using cabinet screws and added the finished pieces to each end. The next step was to measure for the countertop. I went with a little bit of an old school method here, using cedar shims as a template. I'm very happy I used this method. I wanted the front of the counter to have a lip so that it stuck out from the alcove, giving it a built-in look. And the fit was absolutely perfect. Following the same steps as before, I added the shelving to the lower cabinets. The next step was to add the hardware to the doors, add the hardware to the frames, and then add the doors to the frames. You can't really call it a refreshment center unless it has a sink. So with a few precise measurements and some cuts with the jigsaw, now this refreshment center has a sink and is ready for drinks. Today I am headed to finish up the library wall along with the coffee bar that I've been working on in the office in Milton. Have to do a quick stop at IKEA to pick up one of the bookshelves that's been out of stock forever. It's finally in stock, so that's perfect because I can get that bookshelf and finally get this library completed. Alright. We made it to IKEA, so just gonna head in, pick up that bookcase, throw it in the car, head to the destination, and get working on that library. Well, that was a successful trip. I got the cabinet that I needed, got it loaded up, and headed to the job site now. So to give these IKEA Billy bookcases a built-in library look, trim was added to the tops and bottoms of these cabinets. As you can see, there is a little bit of a gap between the trim and the bookcases, nothing that a little bit of acrylic caulk can't handle. And that's a wrap on this project. I couldn't be happier with the results from these IKEA Billy bookcases. I also love how I was able to utilize this nook and get the customer a beverage center with a sink. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting this channel. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you head down below, hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. And until next time, take it easy out there.